Hey everybody, back here at Chicks in the Kitch, and I am on my lunch break at 4:15 in the afternoon, and it's time to eat. This is gonna be a really quick, easy way to make lunch at home, or you can also meal prep it in the morning before you leave for work or the night before. The first thing that I'm getting out is the kale, cabbage, and cucumbers. Also gonna add some organic garbanzo beans. Other things that I like to add to this salad, add hemp seeds, some nutritional yeast, and then I like this Hidden Valley Ranch plant powered ranch. It's dairy-free, made with plant ingredients. I like to make like this garlic lemon dressing, but we don't got time for that today. Olives. And now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna add everything directly to the bowl. Like first we need to open up the chickpeas here. So I just do this right over the sink because I inevitably spill everywhere. Hey-o. And then I'm just gonna put, not all of them, but like half of them into my salad. All right, now we're gonna complete the rest of our salad here. First is, gotta get this egg. I like adding the egg to my salad. It gives it like kind of like a creaminess, and it's just like a nice kind of protein pump. Not everybody is into eggs. This is a great little tool that I got. I got this at TJ Maxx, of course. So I'm gonna take this egg, slice her up. And then next, I'm going to add some of the nutritional yeast. I put a good amount on. Then I add the hemp seeds. Also a good amount. Hemp seeds are really great. They have a lot of omega-3s in them. And then I'm going to add some olives. Olivey. And it's kind of nice because some of the olive juice kind of gets into the salad here too. I usually only like to have like four olives. Next I'm going to add avocado. We don't need no stinking cutting boards. Nice. That is a good avocado. You can see dicey. Yummy. I am going to add just a little bit of this. Boop, boop, boop. I use a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to mush it all together. I can really mix the dressing into the kale. It looks like most of the dressing is actually mixed in pretty good. Last thing I'm gonna add is gonna be a little bit of blue cheese. Everybody likes cheese, which you can obviously skip or sub with your favorite cheese because cheese is so delicious, unless you're vegan. So now I got almonds and then a little treat of some of these. I'm gonna cover it up. We're gonna give it a little shake. Shake. All right. And that's it. So this is a really beautiful green salad. Yum. Delish. This is a great salad. Meal prep most of this. This took me 15 minutes tops, and only because I was recording. Normally it takes me 5 minutes to put this together if I prep everything the right way. So here's your meal prep in action. Oh my gosh, don't forget to like and subscribe and watch any other video on my channel. You can also watch the original video where I prepped a lot of this salad in advance and some other great things that we're gonna eat later this week. All right, thanks.